Crazy. Turn this down. How's everyone doing today on this lovely day? How is everyone doing? Chat, I'm gonna be back. Give me 1 sec. I need to get a lead from my mouse. Give me 2 secs. We'll do the analysis in a second. What's good? What's good? Yo, my bad. Let's see if this can work out. Nice. Cool, we're in business. How's everyone doing, chat? How's everyone's morning? Gold is melting. Jesus Christ, man. What is going on? Decided to fill the entire range for us just so that we made sure we didn't get any positions. Shit is crazy. Absolutely crazy, chat. But yeah, what's good? Good morning. We've got some volume, which is great, so leave a like for that. Hopefully we'll get a trade very, very shortly. Let's get into this analysis then. Let me just see. Everything working well? Yeah, cool. Cool. Let me just turn the volume up on this. Nice. So, chat, the weekly has flipped. And you know, we're looking as if we're starting to drive down, as we did discuss yesterday. We've broken the lows and all that stuff, so very, very high chance that we do continue to push down here on the weekly, in my opinion. The daily is a similar story. We've created sort of a celery play, although on the daily previously we did close above, back above this level. So do we have a fake out coming if this daily flips and continues to push up? Potentially, right? Because of that, we have a bit of a conflicting bias, but we're going to see what happens here. So the 4 hour is closing in 30 minutes. That's quite an important thing to keep in mind. There is no top wick on the 4 hour. So at some point, I would assume that we do need to come up and grab that for some liquidity. If we are to drive down, that is. The same with the 1 hour, right? No top wick on the 1 hour or the 30. And this 1 hour, well, technically the 30 as well, has just pushed, what, 87 pips from out of nowhere. Chat, if you can tell me why it did that, then please do, but I've got absolutely no clue. There's technically no reason why it should have done that. But fair enough. Unless there was news. Was there news? I don't think there was, though. No, absolutely no news. So, yeah. Interesting one, chat. Interesting one. But anyway, looking at our ranges. In terms of sells now, we are going to have to wait for a closure below this area down here on gold at 2146.2. The reason for that is we've filled this range now already. So we were looking for originally sells below this level at 2153. But our advantage point would have been this range fill right here, and we've just come and done that anyway. So unless we get a huge pullback and then top wick for a wick fill to come down, we could potentially take that. But yeah, it's tough to take sells to fill this range now due to that fact, which is a bit tough, to be honest. A bit of a difficult thing. I know a lot of you lot are going to want to be taking those positions. In terms of buys, then what are we going to do? We'll probably wait for a closure back above this level here. Where are we looking? Yeah, above this level here at 2162.1. Let me see what the advantage point is here. Yeah, it gives you like a 16 pip advantage point for break even. That's fine. So that's where we'll be looking for our buys from. But yeah, chat, a bit of a tough one, to be honest. A bit of a tough one. If we do start to come up and flip on the daily and all that good stuff, then maybe we can look at taking some buys above on our range 1, but I'm going to need to see how that prints first in order to take those. But yeah. Cool, chat, cool. That's what we're looking for on gold. Hopefully that makes sense to you all, and hopefully none of you have too bad FOMO, you know? None of you have too bad FOMO, but That's what I'm going to be looking for. Now, on Euro USD, adverts, crazy. I need to buy premium. Where's my overlay as well? Yeah, so Euro USD. This is an interesting one. We just sort of did the same thing, right? We were looking pretty good and we drove at the same time as gold drove. But the weekly has done the same thing. It's flipped now and it's broke the lows. Well, it broke the lows yesterday, I think, but it's looking to continue to drive down. The daily, same sort of thing. The daily doesn't really have much of a top wick, but I do believe we can continue to push down. We are tapping into some levels here, so we may see a little rejection around this point. We're going to have to wait and see how that reacts for sure on that. But overall, very bearish, right? Very, very bearish. Cool. Similar story to gold then. 4 hour, no top wick whatsoever, with the 1 hour having the same sort of thing, and the previous 1 hour, to be fair. In terms of ranges, what can we look for then? I do believe we're going to be looking for something along the lines of sales below here. Put down a little bit. Yeah, that looks okay. Sales below here at 108.396, I do believe. I would have waited for a closure on below here, but obviously, as we saw, firstly, we closed before stream, so we wouldn't have taken anything. But secondly, no top wick or anything like that. So that can be our range one for buys. And then, yeah, we'll wait for a closure below there to get sales. I do believe, yeah, every time we've come below this level, we have pushed down. So that is fine. Range 2 buys then, in terms of Euro USD, are going to be above this level here at 108.775. Let me just check back, see if that's accurate. I do believe it is. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, good. Okay, cool, chat. So that's what we're going to be looking for today. Let me push this up a little bit, actually. Push it up to there. Push it up to there to adjust for this. So 108.800. That's what we'll be looking for in terms of Euro USD and gold today. If that analysis does make sense to you, chat, and you did get some value out of it, feel free to drop a like. And if you do have any questions, put them in the chat. Cool. Cool. Let me just do this quick. But yeah, how was everyone's day? Everyone's morning chat. How was everyone's yesterday? How was everyone's Asian session, London session? If you were trading, let me know. What's good, Tutti Fruity, Crypto Maniac, Aditya, Abdullah, Tommy Zhang, Victory Settings, D. Schlater, Dion Schumann. What's good? Chief Keef, Baron. Let's go. Mr. Eugene. Got 160 pips on Ethereum. Crazy, Pitbull. Killing it. Let me do this. Little curtain over so that you can see my face. Hopefully, I'm still quite overexposed. Morning, Jules. How are you? Oh, let me send it. Yeah, I forgot to do the Zoom again. My bad. Let me do that real quick. Atomic Habit, what's good, bro? How are you? Chat, I think it's going to be a crazy week, though, to be honest. I think it's going to be a crazy week. There's so much news coming. So there should be incredible volume. And we're pushing this morning without even any news. So you can't really, I hate that at all. 30, what's the 30 doing? The 30 just opened. Wow, we did pull back on the 1 hour, to be fair. I don't know if I want to take anything on this 30-minute, to be honest, because this 1 hour, the previous 1 hour is closed above our level, right? So if this 1 hour starts to flip, you're going to be in big trouble if you take a trade. It doesn't mean you can't take it. If it's in your plan, then take it. But the 4 hour close is coming. And if we did end up flipping on that 1 hour before the 4 hour close, I think we'd be very likely to hit stops. So I'm not interested in that, personally. Cool, I'm just sending out this Zoom link. 1 second. Nice. Morning full power lad, what's good? Cedric Diggory. Another 100 pips today? Maybe, we'll see, we'll see. But you know what's crazy? I keep seeing the community growing. We just hit 800 members in the Discord, and every time I tune in, every time I hop into the Discord, people are helping each other out, asking each other questions and all that good stuff, man. It's crazy. Very, very good to see. So, such a great community inside the Discord. I'm very grateful for everyone in there, and I appreciate all your support. But yeah, just thought I'd say that. Start the morning off nicely. Owen, what's good, bro? How are you? What's good? Good morning, Adam in the Zoom. What's good? How are you, bro? Hope you're doing well. How's everyone's week been so far, chat? Is it a blue week? Hopefully it is. Hopefully it is. Steady. Steady's good. Steady is good. For sure. For sure. Minus 100 pips yesterday. Ah, that's tough, noodle holes, but you'll get it back. You'll recover it, bro. I believe in you. I believe in you. What's up, Nicola? How you doing, bro? Hope you're good. Hope you are good. Cool. Break even. Fair enough. Yeah, nice. Nice. Good for now, but have a long, will it remain good? That's the question. We'll see, right? We'll see. This 30-minute has flipped here, chat, and it's looking as if we're going to continue downwards. But it's not our trade, right? So we're going to stay out for a bit and observe. I've not seen Potter's God in a minute. What's happening? I think you're going to summon them, bro. Missed trades in my sleep. Could have made a good amount of pips. Nah. Can't think like that. Trust me, I used to think like that when I was starting off too. Like, oh, if I didn't go to sleep at this time, I would have caught this and all that stuff. But you have to sleep, bro. Like, just truly don't think about it as missing trades. When you're asleep, you're not even trading, so you can't miss anything. You know what I mean? This is why I like you know, having a limit on when I trade too. Nah, I'm joking, but I could have. Yeah, all good, bro. Now this is why I like setting a limit on when I have to finish trading. Because if I have to finish trading at 3 and a setup comes at 5, I didn't miss that setup because I'm not trading anymore, right? So, yeah, I don't know. It's just a good mindset thing, to be honest. What's good, Josh? How are you, bro? Most probably we'll see a flip because we have a bottom wick on the daily, but this might be a wick on the 4-hour and the 1 day. Yeah, it could be, right? The 4 hour's about to close, but could be a daily bottom wick, sorry. It could be a daily bottom wick, but we'll see, right? The 4 hour still has no top wick as well, so I would expect us to come up and grab one at some point. Yeah, what's good, Huss? How you doing, broski? How are you doing? Yeah, chat, drop a like for the analysis as well. As I say, it's free, so, you know, Can't hurt to leave a little click on the like button. But now, chat, as I'm saying, it should be a decent week. We have a lot of volume, especially today. I can't believe that. To be honest, I was sat waiting for stream to start and just saw this gold candle pushing. What did it do? In something like 20 minutes, it did 80 pips. Yeah. Mad. At like 8 o'clock in the morning. No clue why. I mean, it's the open, but it was still a little bit delayed. What's good, Lord Voldemort? What's good, bro? I haven't seen you in a while, to be honest. And Snape's here too. Crazy. Crazy, man. But yeah, listen, no FOMO as well, chat. I know for a fact some of you would have seen that push and your finger is going to be hovering over that buy button. I've done it before, and I know some of you are doing it too. Like, you're hovering over that buy button. Should I do it? Should I do it? If I take, sorry, sell button. If I take a sell, it's gonna keep going. I'm gonna make some money. But then, the moment that you do click that button, that's when you get caught in the retrace. So you don't want to be doing that, chat. You don't want to be doing that. So nah, especially when it's pushing like this, when you don't know what's happening, there's no top wick. Just stay out, wait for some more data. As we say, right, each candle is another data point. So wait for some more data points and yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Also, if you do miss that trade, so what? So what? It's not going to make or break you. I think people think that, you know, they need that win for the day, but realistically you don't. You've got enough time. You've got enough time for sure. DK, what's good, brother? Oh shit, SG. Guess you got 50 pips, got in on the 15 closure and the 30 flip. Nice, bro. Good shit. 50 pips, that's crazy. What happened to the 2-pip wonder, my boy? You've got your 2 pips for the next 25 days. You can take your day off. Take that day off, you're fine. Nice, bro. Good stuff, though. Good stuff. Yeah, 25 times my daily quota. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. How's life over there in Oz, though, bro? Hopefully it's good. Aditya, I just hit TP of the trade which I missed. Nah, you didn't miss it. It wasn't your trade. If you didn't take the trade, it wasn't your trade. I saw you in here earlier before stream started talking about that stuff. You got no problem, bro. You didn't take... It was my trade. Okay. It was your trade then. Why didn't you take it if it was your trade? I was yapping in Janez's stream. Yeah, now... You have to take some accountability for that, right? You have to take some accountability because... That's your fault. I hate to be mean, but that is your fault. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Good stuff. And now you know next time to just be a bit more locked in. Rather than yapping. Yapping away. Fluidity FX. What's good, bro? What is good? Nicola. The Potter cosplay landed in London today at 5 AM. Fire. Fire. That means I should get it either today or tomorrow. SG, what do you think about GJ? I don't trade GJ, to be honest, bro. I fucking hate it. It's not my pair. I really don't like it, but doesn't mean it's not a good pair. It just means I don't like it. But I mean, Janez just charted up GJ, so maybe go back and watch his stream if you missed it. But yeah, I don't trade GJ. What's good, Crypto Maniac? How you doing? Raps Forex, is gold can drop more? Yeah, it can drop more. It definitely can. The 4-hour close comes in 16 minutes, so it potentially can. But we're going to wait and see, right? I'm not sat in a trade right now, so I'm going to wait and see. This 30 could flip for all we know, and that might lead to the 1-hour flip. And then we'll get stuck in sales, which we don't want to get stuck in, so yeah. Yo, Spanko, what's good? Spanko, I don't know how to say that name, but what's good, bro? Yo, SG, what do you need to become a streamer like the DVS gang? To be honest with you, we've got everything unlocked now, but I'd say just, I don't know how me and Hus did it, and to be fair, Janez as well. It's just, you know, join the community, be active, be helpful, all that good stuff, and then the opportunity came up for us to stream and we took it. But we were there early, you know, helping out for ages before we could even stream. So the key is coming to a community, even a community like this one, right? I know who's come in here and provided value. I can name you all the names right now of the people that have been here from the start and that have good value. So, you know, make sure you're helpful, all that good stuff, and your time will come, is all I can say. But yeah. Perfect, cool. Change that camera. Get a fire PC and stream. That is a thing too. I had to buy a new PC to stream. But yeah, that's the thing. If you do want to stream, you can stream whenever you want, man. It's just, you don't need to be part of DVS to stream. Gabriel, what's good, bro? How are you? Should I trade EURUSD over GJ? Alwyn, it's your personal preference, right? What you need to do is you need to find your strategy, sample size it by collecting data on a journal. Well, for example, Don's Buff Journal is the best one for sample sizing, in my opinion. And figure out what your win rate is on these pairs, right? So, you know, go over to these pairs, find your win rate. I mean, gold from mine is 83%. EURUSD. What is EURUSD? I don't think this one's right because I had some problems with the journal, but it also says 83%. Okay. But yeah, look, maybe sample size GJ and EURUSD with your strategy. Find what your win rate is on both the pairs. Find which one you like trading the most, and yeah, do that. Also, it depends on when you trade too, because if you trade a pair like GJ, you can trade it in Asian and London session a lot easier than you can trade EURUSD in Asian and London session, to be fair, to some extent. So it's all about those things, man. Just test it out, see what's good for you, and do that, man. Zaxi, what's good? My EURUSD trade took me out at BE before dropping. I'm salty. I feel you. That's a tough one, but it's what it is, man. We move. Nothing else we can do now. That is tough, though. I do feel you, bro. See what I mean, though, chat? See why I didn't want to take this 30? Now, yeah, potentially we would have got our profit and dipped. I think that's like 20 pips or something. Yeah. But we did say this 30 could easily flip, and that is what it's doing, right? That is what it's doing. So if we FOMO'd in and didn't close on time, we'd be in drawdown right now. You know? This 30 flip could lead to the 1 hour flip. Potentially not, because there's only 12 minutes left, but you don't want to get stuck in something when there's a potential for that to happen, you know? What we can do now, chat, though, is we can look for a 4-hour wick fill if we do get the right setup. So if, for example, we get a big top wick on this 4-hour open and then a flip down, we'll take it for the wick fill. But that's what I would be looking for at the minute. EURUSD as well. It's closing back into another range, so potentially it should fill down, but I do want it to close below this area here at 108.437. because that is the 4-hour level. If we do close below there, you should continue to push, but we'll see how that happens. Where can I get that journal? That was the buff journal. I think there's a link to it in my Discord, to be fair, but it is Don Vo's journal, so I think you can get it on his website. Or someone in chat. Someone in chat will send you a link. Sure. Draco Pipfoy. That is crazy. What's good, bro? One thing that bugs me, Potter, in all our years of rivalry, does Jenny Weasley's carpet match the drapes? That is insane. Who is that? That is mad, Percy. Crazy. Crazy. Where is the costume, B? It's Nicola just said it landed in London today, so that means, yeah, it'll be here soon. It'll be here soon. What's good, LASIK? How you doing, bro? How you doing, bro? Yeah, Alwyn, Cryptomaniac just sent in the journal for you. W Cryptomaniac, but yeah, he just sent that in chat for you. I missed picks letters yesterday. Still 100% win rate. Yeah. Yeah, still 100% win rate. Killing it, chat. We're killing it. Flawless streak on picks letters. You're done there. Nah, good shit, chat. You're killing it. I feel like some of you just come here just for the pick letters, I'm not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Cool, chat. So 9 minutes until this 4-hour closure. What can we do? Eurusd is looking like it's just going to close in the range, to be honest. I would have liked it to close out of this range here at, what are we looking at 108,437, but we seem to have rejected off that level, and we are looking to close in the range. So unless we come down, that's going to be a little bit tough for me. In terms of gold, we rejected off the level again quite hard, so that's interesting, chat. That is very interesting. The 30 is pushing up now. I did expect that to happen, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure I called that. Call me a psychic, but nah. What would be interesting is if we did start to close above this range, because then that would lead to potentially the daily flip. And if we could get in buys before the daily flip to continue upwards, that would be very, very nice. That would be very nice, I'm not gonna lie. Oh. Chat. There's volume here and there's potential. Let's see, chat. Lock it in for a little bit. Lock it in for a little bit. Called it, chat. Absolutely called it. This fake out will be nice if we close above. It will be very, very nice if we close above. We'll have a lot of liquidity on the daily. Yeah. So where do we need to close above? Let's see. I would say, yeah, to be honest, we still need to close above this level here. Right? Because We want to be back into the range. I was thinking about this level here, but now we need to close above the we need to close back into the overall range, and that is around here at 2153.7, I would say. Potentially 2154. Yeah, but I don't know. Let's look on the 1 hour. Yeah, the 1 hour level is here too, so that's fine for me. That's my level for sure. You know what would be interesting if this 1 hour could flip before we close, but we'll see. 6 minutes, so I'm not sure if that can happen. What we can also do, chat, another play that we can you know, get in our locker is if we do start to close above here, what we can do is we can use that 1 hour top wick as our advantage point for stops to break even. So if we do end up grabbing a closure like this above here, then what we can do is we can take the buys up, and our break even point can be over here at this top wick area to continue upwards. But yeah, as Tyler just said, the 4 hour can push without a bottom wick, so yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't think the 4 hour will flip in 5 minutes, but the 1 hour might. Gold needs to play ball here. Yeah, it does, chat. Lock it in. 5 minutes till the closure. 5 minutes, but a lot of potential here, chat. There's a lot of volume, which is real nice. Let's see if we can just do the final thing of closing above the range. What are stops looking like as well? Let me see. Let me just... I hate this big box. That's crazy. But yeah. Cool. Stops are going to be looking at... Let's see. Let's just assume we close up here. I mean, stops are going to be quite big, to be honest. It'd be 80 pip stops. But doesn't mean we've got a lot of liquidity, right? So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Four minutes. We seem to be rejecting off the level too, though. Obviously, the other play that we could take is the wick fill to break the lows again. That is a potential play too. So we'll see how the candle opens. But if we open up with a big top wick and then flip, we can take a wick fill. But I would prefer, I think, this closure above for sure. Yeah, I'm releasing a new vlog today as well. It's not a vlog, it's like it's a trading video. But that'll be up on the YouTube later today, so stay tuned for that as well. Stay tuned. Oh. Crazy. I've been looking at previous projection zones for wick entry, going great as of now. Yeah, exactly that. You can do that for sure. So you can look at rejection zones for wick entries. On gold, a little bit tough at the minute because we don't have enough data. For me personally, I'm not taking wick entries yet because we only have one rejection at this zone before, and it's just not enough for me. Potentially two, I suppose. But if you look at like gold when it's normally in the range, or Eurusd, for example, you can see like 4 or 5 rejections in the past. Then you can start to take it. But for me on gold at the minute, it's just a little bit too much. But then again, I am quite a conservative trader, so I'm not. It's definitely a good thing. It's definitely possible to take those rejection zone wick entries. So good shit, Josh. Sampling it with lower lot size. Yeah, exactly. That's key. So if you do that first, and then once you get the data and the confidence in the setup, then you can start to take it as an actual play. Good stuff, bro. XG, the well-behaved. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. That it's not looking like we're going to close above. We got close. Unless this 5 minute flips. this 5 minute decides to flip in the last half of the candle, that would be really nice. But yeah, man, we'll see. 2 minutes to this closure. Oh, chat, what is going on? I'm actually psychic today. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Talking about the 5 flipping in the last half of the candle, and it just suddenly flips the moment I say that. Okay, chat, so what's going to happen here is we're going to get a closure above. Then we're going to get the entry. Then it's going to go straight to TP. Trying to trick the market there. Trying to trick the market. Nah, chat, I don't know though. Seriously, I don't know. If we did get the trade, obviously there's no guarantee it goes straight to TP. It was a joke. Don't sue me. But yeah, nah. Another 100 pip day. Axel, good shit, bro. GG's. 100 pips is crazy. Why every time you want to come with sidekick? I don't get it, mate. Sidekick. Not sidekick. Saddam Sultan, what's good, bro? How are you? SG, you must have thought that we've forgotten where is the Potter costume and makeup. Bruv, I've answered this question 3 times today. But it's just landed in the UK, right? So hopefully I'll get it sometime today. Maybe tomorrow. If I don't get it by tomorrow, well, if I get it tomorrow, that's fine. If I don't get it out on tomorrow, then it could be a little bit tough. Okay, chat. The 4-hour opened here with a top wick. It didn't close above, which is difficult. And we have now no position for me off the 4-hour here at the moment because of that opening, but that doesn't rule out any possibility of a trade, right? If we do get this 30 closure like we discussed, especially if we make a bottom wick first, then I'll be more than happy to take that fake out. It's still a fake out if it doesn't happen straight away, right? And this still could just be the 4-hour coming up, you know? It doesn't have to be a, you know, we don't have to flip on this 4-hour. It could come up on the next 4-hour, you know? So we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see. But if we do get a bottom wick here and then flip up and close above our level, I'll be happy to take buys. And hopefully those buys can lead to the daily flip. And if it does lead to the daily flip, then we'll be looking for runners, to be honest, chat. We'll be looking for runners because look at this, right? Chat, we're not in a trade, just before I put this in, but we're not in a trade. But imagine we were in a trade, right? Our stops are going to be below this area. And then if we did close above this level, what do we do every time we fill a range? Or every time we close into a new range, sorry, we fill that range. So let's say that we close into this range. Our expectation would be to fill the top of the next hourly range. Now, once we fill that hourly range, that is going to lead to the daily flip. So the daily is going to now be looking like something like this, right? And that looks bullish as hell if that happens. So, you know, if we get in that trade, we'll probably close partials at the daily flip. And then continue to try and ride it for runners to come up and test. Jesus Christ, chat. I combined tap and test there, so like test. But yeah, we'll come up to tap this level. Should be good. Test is a crazy word. I know, made it up. But yeah, man, that's what we're looking for, chat, if we do start to do that. So we'll see. We'll see. We have to wait for some closures, though, to be honest, chat. So be patient here. Be patient. There's a lot of potential. So, yeah. Lock it in. There's volume too as well, which is good. Hopefully the volume doesn't die down, because recently I've noticed that the volume will just randomly die down for no reason. I suppose not for no reason, but with no warning is what I'm trying to say. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Buy or sell? Ray says both, but there's no profit in hedging. You can make profit in hedging. Most hedge funds hedge, hence the name, right? Hence the name. Peter, what's good, bro? How are you? I'd like to understand more. What do you want to understand more of, Tyler? I'll help you if I can. Hedging. Well, we don't do it because we're not edging. Yeah, not edging. Mad. We don't do it because we're just scalp traders, right? And we're not looking at the overall direction. And also, most funders don't allow it. And if you're on a personal, you probably don't have a big enough capital to successfully hedge. But the way that it works is hedge funds will have a position that they scale into, right? This is the thing as well. They can't just you know, enter all at once. They have to scale into their positions so that they don't affect the price and all that stuff. But say they're in buys, they're obviously going to have a significant amount of risk, right? In the billions. Their risk is in the billions. So in order to counteract that risk, what they'll do is they'll place hedges. Either they'll do it two ways, right? They'll either do it on the same asset, which I think is less common, I do believe, I'm not sure though, or they'll hedge with like an opposing stock if they're trading stocks, right? So for example, I don't know, you have a pharmaceutical company that you think is going to go up, and then whatever the opposite of that is, you can hedge with that. Or if two companies are going to get a bidding for one contract, you can hedge on both of them, you know? But yeah, obviously also a lot of people do that during day trading as well. They'll just buy and sell a certain asset to hedge their risk, but in my opinion, it's not worth it. You know how to do it properly, then maybe, I suppose, but yeah. Dan LaBelle, what's good, bro? Gym session done. Time to get some trades. Yeah, good stuff, man. Good stuff. How was the gym? What did you hit? What did you train? Chat, still potential here, right? So stay locked in. Leave a like if you haven't done already. I do massively appreciate it. It really helps out the channel, so feel free to leave a like. Let's try and get to 75 likes today. That'd be massive. Appreciate you all very, very much. What's good, Bean Boy? Mr. Eugene. Congratulations to the boy Eugene as well. SG, where is Silent? He's also not coming to the stream recently. Nah, he got a new job, so he said he was going to be busy on the streams, but he's still about. Eugene, I don't want to bait your business out, but I did want to say congrats. So. What's good, Van? What's good? How you doing? What's good? What's good? What's good? Yeah, bro's been hiding. Yeah, chat. What I wanted to say was congrats to Eugene. The boy quit the 9 to 5 yesterday. He quit his job to pursue trading full time and his other career, which is crazy, man. So congrats to Eugene. Big dubs. Big dubs. It's a great feeling, huh? Nah, I'm proud, bro. Good shit. SGM, what's good, bro? Good morning. I passed FTMO challenge. What I can advise after I lost a lot of it is wait for A+ setups. Not every day is a trading day, and it's okay to risk a little bit. And remember, it's a mind game. Yeah, exactly that, bro. Big dubs. Lot of W's in the chat for Bean, man. Good shit. Good shit. Telios, what's good? What's good, bro? So, Eurusd's flipped here. Still nothing though, chat. Yeah, chat, leave a like for that as well. Trend lines, gang. Starting to escape the 9 to 5. You love to see it, man. You love to see it. Good, TJ. How are you? How's life? Ridwan Ali, what's good, bro? Hi, any trades taken today? Nah, not yet. We are waiting for some closures here. The 4-hour closed below the range technically, but we've grabbed a lot of liquidity, so we are waiting for some closures. Essentially, I would like a closure above. We didn't come up enough to get a top wick yet. The sells. So what I would like now is for us to come and close above this level here on the 30-minute. And once that happens, we'll be looking to take some buys to continue upwards. I'm good, SG. Yeah, good stuff, bro. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, we're growing like crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. A lot of growth coming into the channel. I appreciate you all very much for your support. Thanks for 50 likes as well. Huge. How are you, bro? I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm very good. Very grateful. Working hard. All that good stuff, man. All that good stuff. Bloodbath this morning for crypto. What's good, Raphael? For what crypto? BTC or what? Just in general. Oh shit, yeah. Mad. Oh. Yeah, that is tough. Big sell-off. Yeah, well, when BTC starts melting, everything else starts to sell off, right? So, makes sense. Meltdown, that's a good song. Good song. Yeah, chat. Baron just reminded me, but if you are not already, make sure you hop in the Discord. It's pretty good value, to be honest. Very, not value, but you know what I mean, pretty good education-wise. It's free, obviously, the Discord. But yeah, I think everyone's helping each other out in there. Everyone's growing up together, building up together, let's say. And yeah, trying to get a community where everyone supports each other and levels up at the same time, man. You also get a free Lambo. Yeah, you do get a free Lambo when you join the Discord. That's the main thing. You can pick between an Aventador, a Huracan, or a Eurus. So crazy. My Lambo came this morning. Good stuff, Eugene. I got mine in red. Good choice. Where's my Lambo? I'm here since day one. Yeah, Aditya, you have to talk to HR about that. It's got a bean wrap. Crazy. Eugene, when you're a successful digital marketer and trader, you have to get a Lambo with a baked bean wrap on it. Or whatever car you want, actually. I don't care, but baked bean wrap is crazy. ASG trade idea. Potential sells on the gold 15, assuming that's the top wick for the 1 hour. Yeah, potentially, right? But I don't think it is. I don't think that is the top wick for the 1 hour. And if it is, it's not enough for me. You have to think about it this way, right? This is what I'm thinking in my head right now. We've grabbed 60 pips of liquidity to come up, but we've only grabbed 3 pips of liquidity to come down, right? So in my opinion, at the moment, the liquidity for us to go up, to continue upwards, is a lot higher. Now, I'm not saying it doesn't come down. Potentially it comes down all the way and fills the wick. You could be right, but I'm trying to stick with where I think the market's going to go overall. And to be honest, even though we close below, I do think that we're set to come up. That is just my thoughts, though, to be honest. That is just my thoughts. Yeah, has stream gone down? Are we good? Let me know. Doesn't drop in frames, but I have no clue why. Nah, okay, cool. Yeah, see, so look, gold is starting to flip here. This is what I was saying. So I don't know if you all heard the what I was saying about liquidity and all that stuff, but the reason why I'm not looking for sales at the moment is because I do believe we have more upside liquidity than downside liquidity, essentially. Hopefully that answers your question, DK, though. Cool, stream is fine, yeah, no worries. It just said I was dropping frames, so I got a bit worried, but no, I appreciate you. Cool, chat. Can we flip up here and close above on this 30-minute candle in 14 minutes? That would be that'd be very, very nice. Especially, yeah, chat, look at this. This is perfect. So the only problem now is, do we drive before we can get a position? Or do we not close above? That's the question. 15 closed doji, yeah. 15 closed weak bullet, weak bearish. So almost as if it's like a celery player. But we'll see. This 15 could, for all I know, reject and come and flip down. So we'll wait and see. We'll wait and see how the 30 close. Yeah. Nah, all good, DK. I know. Yeah, now that it closed doji, that idea, I feel you. So yeah, that now this 15 is rejected. So we are at a bit of a decision area at the moment. So yeah. We'll have to wait 13 minutes for this closure, but should be okay. Should be okay. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can grab this closure. Cool, man. Cool. Is it me or is he lagging again? Yeah, chat. I'm dropping frames. I don't know why. This happens periodically on a Tuesday morning. Every for like 5-10 minutes. I don't know why. It happened last week as well. I don't know if it's like maintenance with my Wi-Fi company or some shit. So apologies for the lag. Apologies. Damn, I thought it's just me. Yeah. Nah, my bad. It's all good. I connect with Ethernet, Baron. So it's not me. It's definitely not the Wi-Fi. If there's a problem, it's the network provider. Yeah, my network provider is shit, so it could be that. Could be that. That's CAD CPI. Does it affect gold? Yeah, CAD CPI should affect gold, to be honest. But that's at 12:30. I won't be streaming at that point. No, RFAL. I won't be streaming at that point. Yeah, direct in the router. Yes. Yes, Baron, I do. $21.56 resistance is valid. Probably, yeah. I mean, it looks it, right? But we'll take sells to come up there. We'll take buys to come up to that point, sorry. Don will be live for CAD CPI. Yeah, he will. That Tesco Wi-Fi, man. Nah, it's not Tesco. I think we're with BT. But I pay for premium Wi-Fi as well. I don't really know what's going on. Yeah, man. It is what it is. Share Shah. That's a cool name, bro. What's good, bro? What is your live timing? I am from Pakistan. It's 20 minutes past 9 in the morning right now. 9:20. What happened, chat? Are we down? Uh-oh. Did we drop out, chat, or what? Are we good now? Split second. Okay. Chat, I do apologize about the delays, man, and all that stuff. It's pretty shit, to be honest. But, not much I can do. Not much I can do, chat. Just refresh. Refresh what? Telling chat to refresh. Yeah, chat, refresh the page. You should be good. Well, if you can hear me, then yeah. Absolutely no clue what's happened there, chat. Apologies about that. That's pretty shit. It does look like we're back, though. Does look like we're back, maybe.
The problem is you stream also in Zoom, and that's why, because sometimes you have that problem. So both, like, both uploads, and that's why, probably.
Yeah, man.
You should ask your provider for a better upload, then you'll be fine.
But my upload's like 150 or something.
Yeah, but sometimes we don't get the 100%. That's why.
I feel you, bro.
That's why streamer have some special. You know what I'm talking about, like.
Yeah. To be honest, I don't even know if it is the internet, to be fair, but I must be, right?
Yeah. But it's because sometimes on some days on some providers, like a peak day where everyone is online on the provider on your line.
Yeah, it makes sense. All good, chat. It should be better. I think we're back up now. Shitload of people dropped off, but it's fine. It is what it is. It is what it is, man. We good? We're all back? Yeah, cool. I think we are. If it keeps happening, I'll just drop the stream. Fuck it. I think we should be okay.
I'm not race, man.
Yeah, that's not race. Bruv. I don't know what to do here, chat. This is a bit tough because it keeps going to... I might have to just call it, you know.
Do we have news now or not?
Nah. Nah, no news. Quick picks letters before the stream dies. You lot aren't going to be able to interact if the stream's fucked, but I'm back apparently. Are we back? It still says I'm dropping frames, I'm not going to lie, chat. What's good, bro? You said hey, bro. I can't pronounce that name, though. That's some crazy letters. What's good? Yeah, I'm not... Ah, fuck it.
In mine, I can see you, but sometimes get frame lagging. Right.
That's tough. This is interesting. Oh well, chat. Anyway, in terms of price, we are still looking to flip up on this 15. If we do close above on the 30, we'll look to take a trade. If we don't, I'll call it a day because of the stream conditions. How about that? Sounds good to me. In 5 minutes. Here, fine, but video is choppy. Okay. I have no clue why. It just says dropping frames. Yeah, we'll see. All good, all good. Let's do that. Yeah, we'll do that. That's the plan. So 5 minutes to the closure chat. If we do close above, then we'll look to take the trade. If we don't, I'm gonna call it and we'll play picks letters. Appreciate everyone for staying through that that choppiness though. It's my bad. I'll ring my service provider today and figure it out because it happens on a Tuesday all the time. So maybe it's something to do with that, but yeah. Stream just end or what happened?
No, I can see it. Looking better now. I think
Okay.
so. Yeah,
Yeah, it should be alright.
but you can ask your provider definitely.
Yeah,
or
no, I
like a
will.
refund or something like this, or probably they give you a bit more because you stream or.
Yeah. It should be fine. Or is somebody outside using your Wi-Fi? Yeah, someone's just parked in my driveway at home.
It wouldn't done the Wi-Fi.
I know, I'm just playing.
Ah, alright, sorry.
It's so good.
Ah.
Someone in the chat just said, bro, I am best trader. We've definitely lost frames now as well. I think if you got a business line, it'd be better. You get a private line, not sharing with other people, but it's expensive. I think like 18k or something. Bro, I'm not paying 18k.
Bro, a business line is very expensive, bro. Like you get your own line to this provider, but you're like, bro, it's fucking hard, bro. Like.
Yeah, no, I'm not paying 18k.
Too much, bro. Too much.
Call it here. I'm gonna call it here. I'm not even gonna pay picks letters because I don't think you lot can even fucking hear. So, Zoom, I'm gonna let you lot go. I appreciate you all for coming up. Thanks for the help. Be nice.
Yeah, Denise.
Yeah. All right, bro.
Okay.
Catch you in a bit, bro.
Right.
Peace out.
Yeah, catch you. See ya.
How do you pronounce your name in English? SG. Buy or sell? I'm new. Sorry. Neither at the moment, to be honest, bro. And yeah, chat. I'm gonna call it here because the fucking the connection's terrible and yeah, it's just a bit rough. So I'm gonna call it a little bit early. I do apologize for all the inconvenience. I do apologize. Hopefully, I should get today or tomorrow. Nah, it doesn't happen all the time. It's just I think it's just a maintenance thing or something like that. So it should be fine. But yeah, chat. I'm gonna call it there. So peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.